So I'm going to untwist that, put that aside, and I'm going to swap that with the manual pump, twist to click, and that's all done. Let's take the stand off. Okay. Again, I've got my trusted aid here. So I'm going to be demonstrating how this looks like using the manual pump. You position your nipple as in the middle of the pump as possible. You make sure that the base, this part here, is literally at the hook here, right? Because this is what is going to be compressing. So if I start compressing, can you see that the compression is compressing this base here? So you've got to have a really good fit for the base to compress properly. So let's see. So this is what it looks like, right? So what I would recommend, as I would recommend with all manual pumps, to simulate the stimulation mode on a manual pump, you actually do quick and light compressions, okay? Compression of the handle. So you don't go all the way like this, because actually going all the way increases the suction. So this is technically the highest suction on the manual pump, and this is the lowest, all right? And so stimulation is usually low on suction and high on cycle speed, right? And expression is low on cycle speed and high on suction. So you want to start out expressing like this. This is how to make it work. You can see the milk spurting out. This is such a good simulation of the breast. I love it. You can see I've actually started to get milk, right? And then you can then do long pulls to express, right? As you get to the, you can literally see it spraying out. So this is the power of the Vital Baby, and this is the power of the silicone breast cups. You can literally see your nipple being compressed, and this is what it's going to do on your breast. So this is so effective, right? You can see if you lose your grip or you lose the hold, you just reposition and get the hold back. Okay. It's actually when you release that you get the spurt of milk, as you can see there. So you can see that the grip is around the nipple, the base of the nipple. So that is really important. Okay, so that's it in terms of the demonstration, and you just keep doing that until you have expressed your milk. All right. And that little bit of expression, we've managed to express a few mils. Okay, so with this manual pump, I absolutely love the manual pump, okay? And I do have a Medela manual pump, right? The Medela Harmony. And actually, I will say that I prefer this, and I do love the Medela Harmony, okay? So before I tried this, the Medela Harmony was my favorite manual pump. But this is my new favorite. And there's a few reasons for that, okay? So the first one is that this shield is so comfortable on the breast. This is honestly, these types of shields, these silicone shields, are the most comfortable feel. They have the most comfortable feel on your nipple and on the breast. And because it's not being necessarily sucked in, you do have a little bit of sucking in with the pump. I mean, the sucking in of your nipple, right? But it is more compression. And so compression is actually gentler on your nipple than being pulled in and out. Having a compression feeling is way gentler and more likely to produce milk. Now, the other thing as well is that because it's a compression style, the size of this breast shield becomes less important. No matter the size of your nipple, you're still going to get milk produced because it will just compress to the size of your nipple. This nipple size is a little bit smaller than my nipple size, okay? And you could see that it still worked. It's still just compressed to the size of the nipple. It just meets your nipple wherever it is, as you can see there. And that's what you're looking for, right? It just grips your nipple from wherever it is. So that's the second thing that I love about this manual pump. The third thing is the comfort of this handle. So first of all, it's a wide base, and then it's got like this sort of softer feel. This silicone part, this part is actually silicone, and it makes it so comfortable to hold. Okay, it has a very good grip, and you can put your thumb here and just pump away. So it's super comfy. And so those are my reasons for loving this manual pump. Now, the one con that I would say is that this is bulky. Okay, you can see this is definitely much bulkier than other manual pumps that you have around. But honestly, I feel like if it's very effective, this becomes secondary, except this is very important to you and the bulkiness of it is important. But for me personally, if it works, I'm using it, okay? And I'm popping it in the bag. So that's it. That's it with the manual pump. Thanks for watching.